We are Fellow. We're merging the world of gaming and finance for the Gen Z of India. Generation Z is an amazing audience. They adapt new technology, products and features way better than any other audience in India. Yet, one aspect about them has never changed yet. Which is a low inclination towards healthy finance. To understand this, we spoke with over 1,000 such working individuals belonging to Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. We discovered that they were saving their money in a traditional savings bank account which was just giving them less than 4% returns. Also, only 2% of these entire users have ever invested in the equities and debt markets. The most interesting point which we found out was a massive 60% of these people did not have enough funds to meet their next 3-month needs. Interestingly, despite these poor financials, these people were ready to spend $5 to $10 on an average per month into paid and fantasy games. Now, paid and fantasy games offer very less chances of winning, yet $1.2 billion was spent in 2020 alone in India. This is happening because saving and investing is absolutely boring, whereas paid and fantasy games offer the elements of fun, excitement, and immediate gratification in the form of huge financial rewards. This inspired our core hypothesis that gaming will lead a broader fold of these Gen Z to be more inclined towards healthier finance, and that's how our journey started. Introducing Fellow, a game-based savings and investment application for the Gen Z of India to save, play, and earn returns more than a traditional savings bank account. We are a platform where users can play and win big just by saving. For every rupee saved and invested through Fellow, users earn game tokens which can be redeemed to play fun in-house games and win amazing rewards and prizes. Just within a short span of 2 months, we launched a fully functional application which attracted over 2,000 users, of which 75% have been onboarded only through our referral program. Of the total investing users, we have 70% of the users as first-time ever investors into the mutual fund market, and 60% of our user base turned out to be recurring investors in the preceding weeks. We have ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, the largest AMC of India, as a mutual fund partner, Augmont Gold, the largest gold fund in India, to be a gold fund partner, and we're on route to closing several partnerships for our gaming rewards. We achieved all this with absolutely zero marketing spend. I'm Manish Maryada, the CEO and co-founder of Fellow. I come with a 5+ years of work experience across traditional finance like HSBC and new age fintech startups like Coinex and Flowbiz, where I was looking after product, strategy and operations in these early stage startups. I played a key role in scaling these companies in X to 10x just within a very short period of time. My co-founder and CTO Shaurya is a rockstar full stack and cross-platform developer. He worked over 3 years at BlackRock, where he was building financial tools for large corporates. He's also built several award-winning mobile applications. Adding on to in-house finance expertise, we have CII of IIM Ahmedabad to be our fintech advisors, equipping us with all the tools to disrupt this next multi-billion-dollar market. Come talk to us, come join our Fellow journey, and let's make finance fun and exciting for the Gen Z through gaming. Thank you.